Okay guys, welcome back na naman sa aking YouTube channel, no. So nag-release na ng balita itong si Mir4 ngayong July 25, 2025 regarding sa kanilang 4 years anniversary mga bossing. So ano ba yung mga aabangan natin? So ito, simulan na natin agad yan. Una-una, new Battlefield experience. So regarding dito guys, dahil magkakaroon nga ng bagong character, ayan, the 4th anniversary, we focus on renewing the Battlefield experience for you to enjoy the new class and a bold decision that may forge a new legacy with still powerful winds of change across the land of Mir. So ayan, magkakaroon daw ng XP boost sa field, babaguhin nila yung XP na bigay sa mga monster. Dahil nga merong bagong class. Ito na, the Fist that sways the battlefield, the new class Lionheart. So ibig sabihin, ano siya? Knuckle type. Ito nakalagay naman pala eh. Lionheart is a puncher type class wielding bracers and knuckles. A versatile warrior will verse in the melee combat. He uses a powerful charging skill to destroy the enemy formation and can also heal allies or cast debuff on enemies. Parang monk, ang angas, parang champion sa sa Ragnarok. Nag-heal tapos may damage. Ang angas ito mga bossing. Tapos yan, a decision for new step server merge. So may ibig sabihin magkakaroon ng server merge. So yung regarding sa information, wala pang exact date, no? Sabi, ayun nga, 2 years since the server merge happened in July 2023. So, ibig sabihin, yung regarding sa merge ng ng core version, parang mapupuspon pa. Siguro server merge lang to para mas magkagulo. Ewan ko, magkakagulo pa, no? Kasi magkakakampi na lahat. Ito yung inaabangan ng lahat, syempre, another chance for growth, new boosting word server. Thanks to all the passionate support for previous boosting word server. Itong boosting server na to, guys, permanent to. Okay, magiging permanent na yung server. Pero yung boosting parang lang, temporary. So basahin natin. The new boosting word server will operate permanently. Unlike the previous one. During the boosting period of approximately 4 months. So 4 months, approximate pa lang naman nila yan. Baka habaan nila. You will be able to enjoy the tremendous boost in your growth. The server will remain open even after the period ends. Meaning you can continue your journey with other Dragonian who have become stronger. So regarding dito, wala pang info eh. Kaya sabi nito, we will provide a separate announcement with details information about the boosting word server. We kindly ask for your anticipation and participation in the boosting word server, which will serve as new stage of opportunity. So tansya ko guys, sabi nga dito, celebration ng 4 years. It's either sa August 16 i-release agad. Pero mali mo, advance ng isang linggo or advance ng or late ng isang linggo bago yung anniversary. August 16 guys, no? Ano ba yung August 16? Martes ba yun? August 16, hindi Martes ang August 16, 19, no? So palagi natin mga 19 to or 26. So abangan na lang natin, maglalabas naman sila ng kanilang info regarding dyan sa boosting na yan. So i-content din natin, huwag kayong mag-alala mga bossing. Ito pangatlo, gratitude for the 4th anniversary fruitful events to repay all the love Mir4 has received for the past 4 years. We are preparing for the 4th anniversary celebration event that will be more rewarding and enjoyable than even before. For instance, there will be an event to provide additional special reward. Of course, in additional web. So yun, napaka-solid yan mga boss. Bagong character, bagong bootcamp, bagong server, syempre permanent na server. Hindi ko alam kung matatalunan ba siya ng ibang server. Wala kasing info regarding dyan. Hindi pa siya full info guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala. I-content natin kapag talagang fix. Kung talagang yung pinaka-actual na event regarding dito. Siguro mga bandang, malapit na naman mag-August guys eh. So 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 1 week baka mag-release na yan. Kaya stay tuned lang mga boss. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel para hindi na nahuhuli sa mga balibalita. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam, napaka-solid ng update na yan mga bossing.